Good morning, students. I am Pungurali, your biology teacher. Today we are going to revise for quarterly examination. So let us start with the question: what are the measures to be taken to conserve forest? What are the measures? The important measures taken for conservation of forest are afforestation, social forestry program, and forest conservation through laws. Okay, these 3 points you have to explain. Okay. Next, give any 5 aims of wildlife management. So, I had given all the aims here. You have to mention only 5 aims for 5 mark. Okay. So, to control and limit exploitation of species, to preserve the plants and animals from extinction, maintenance of threatened species, and protect species which are on verge of extinction, preserve the endangered species, etc. Okay, you have to mention any 5. That is enough for 5 mark. Okay. How do you manage soil erosion? So here also I had given more than 5 points. I think it's 6 here. So you have to mention only 5. That is enough for 5 mark question. Okay. What are the renewable and non-renewable resources? You have to define what are renewable resources and give example. Similarly, you have to define non-renewable resources and you have to give the example here. Okay. What are the steps to conserve coal and petroleum resources? Have to write down the steps here. Reducing their consumption, as if electricity is saved, it will in turn reduce the use of coal. Okay. Using bicycle for covering short distances instead of using cars, scooters or motorcycles. And vehicles வந்துட்டு ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணணும் யூசேஜ் அப்படிங்கிறதையும் அண்ட் டிசைனையும் வந்துட்டு மாடிஃபை பண்ணியிருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறத நீங்கள் ஹாவ் டு மென்ஷன். ஓகே. So these are the steps to conserve the coal and petroleum resources. Next question is, what are solar cells? Solar cells are otherwise called as what? Photovoltaic devices. Okay. So about that you have to explain. If it is asked in a 2 mark, you have to say what is solar cells, the definition or the or the make of the solar cell. That is enough. Okay. Give the advantages of solar energy. What are the advantages of solar energy? Yes. What are the advantages of solar energy? I had mentioned only 4 here. So this is enough to write for a 3 mark or a 2 mark question. Okay. So what are the advantages here? The advantages of solar energy are, it is available in abundance in our country and it's free of cost. It is a renewable source of energy. It can be used for generating electricity or heat. It does not cause pollution. Okay. So next question is, write a short note on fossil fuel. Fossil fuels. So for this question you have to write what you know about fossil fuel and you have to give the example. Okay. Example is petroleum, coal and natural gas. Next question is, what are the 4 R in waste management? What are the 4 R's? It is, the 4 R's are reduce, reuse, recovery and recycle. Okay. List out the methods of soil waste disposal. What are the methods used for soil waste disposal? First is segregation, then sanitary landfill, then incineration and composting. Okay. Draw the block diagram of conventional wastewater treatment. So you have to draw this block diagram. Okay. First wastewater enters here. It is pre-screened. Then it is allowed to pre-treatment section. Okay. And then it will goes to the sludge are removed and disposed as sludge here, and the filtered water is, the treated water is let into the aeration tank. Here the air blows here, so it will be the wastewater is aerated here and it is allowed to pass into the sedimentation tank where the minute particles will settle here, and it is filtered using sand filtration method, and it is disinfected using chlorine or UV rays, and it is and finally we will get the treated effluent. Okay. So you have to draw this block diagram. Write short notes on sewage or wastewater treatment method. Sources of, so first you have to, for short notes, you have to write whatever you know about the sewage or wastewater. I mean, you have to start from the source and the wastewater treatment, okay, etc. Okay, now here you can see the sources of sewage or wastewater. So what are the sources here? தண்ணி எங்க இருந்தெல்லாம் வருது? வேஸ்ட் வாட்டர் எங்கெல்லாம் கிடையாது, டொமஸ்டிக் பர்பஸ் வீட்ல இருந்து. ஓகே, இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் லைக் டெக்ஸ்டைல், டை இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ், லெதர் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ், சுகர்ஸ், பேப்பர் அண்ட் பல்ப் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் இங்க இருந்தெல்லாம் கிடைக்குது இல்லையா? ஸோ தட் யூ ஹாவ் டு ரைட். நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் தி வேஸ்ட் வாட்டர் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் மெத்தட். ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் மெத்தட் என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, ப்ரீ ஸ்க்ரீனிங், ஏரேஷன், இப்போ பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா கன்வென்ஷனல் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட், வேஸ்ட் வாட்டர் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்ல அதை நீங்க இங்க எழுதிடணும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் வாட் ஆர் தி டாக்ஸிக் மெட்டல்ஸ் இன் இ வேஸ்ட்? So what are the toxic metals? E-waste contain toxic metals like lead, cadmium, chromium and mercury. Okay. Write down the advantages of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting ரொம்ப important. Rainwater harvesting method இல்ல collection ஏதாவது ஒரு questions கண்டிப்பா வரும். So it is important. Advantages of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting helps us to rainwater harvesting to overcome the rapid depletion of groundwater levels to meet the increased demand of water, reduces flood and soil erosion. Water stored in ground is not contaminated by human and animal waste and hence can be used for drinking purpose. These things you have to read. Right, okay. List out the methods of rainwater harvesting. These are the methods you have to, they had asked only the list, okay, not to explain, okay. So you have to give the points alone, the methods alone, okay, name of the methods. Next, write short notes on tidal energy, wind energy and water energy. So you have to write the definition or the short note, okay. For tidal energy is the energy that obtained from the movement of water due to ocean tides, okay. Turbines are placed in tidal streams. When the tides hit the turbine rotates and converts the tidal energy into electric energy, okay. Next is wind energy and water energy. That also you have to give a short note, okay. Next, what is shale gas? Shale gas is a natural gas that is found trapped within shale formations. So this thing you have to write. For 2 marks this is enough, okay. Give the environmental concerns of shale gas. So you have to write all the points in environmental concern that is explained in your book, okay. What are the uses of solar cell? Solar cell உடைய uses நீங்க எழுதணும். solar energy எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படிங்கிறது, okay. So street lighting, artificial satellites, radio and TV television transmission, electronic toys லாம் யூஸ் பண்றோம்ட்டு நீங்க எழுதணும், okay. What do you understand by the term phenotype and genotype? You have to write the definition of phenotype and genotype here, okay. How is the structure of DNA organized? What is the biological significance of DNA? For this, you have to draw the structure of DNA, okay. Along with this answer, you have to draw the structure of DNA and you have to explain the first you have to define what is DNA, okay. DNA na enna definition கொடுக்கணும். Then DNA ஓட components நீங்க எழுதணும். என்னென்ன component? Sugar molecule, nitrogenous base, phosphate group இத பத்தி எழுதணும். Then in each thing you have to explain deoxyribose பத்தியும், purines, okay, cytosine, thymine இத பத்தியெல்லாம் நீங்க just give one line note, that is enough, okay. You have to draw, remember that you have to draw the structure of DNA here, okay, and you have to label the parts. Next, what are allosomes? It's a 2 mark here. Out of 23 pairs of chromosomes, 22 pairs are autosomes and 23 pairs is the allosome or sex of chromosome, okay. Why is euploidy considered to be advantageous to both plants and animals? ஏன் ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே பிளான்ட்ஸுக்கும் அனிமல்ஸ்க்கும் euploidy வந்துட்டு advantage இருக்கு அப்படிங்கறது you have to explain here. It's a 2 mark question here, okay. So prepare well for the test, quarterly examination. Many of you have spelling mistake problem. ஒரு term நீங்க botanyல எழுதும்போது ஒரு term வந்துட்டு spelling mistake இல்லாம எழுதணும். In such a way you have to prepare, write neatly and legibly. give enough space in between the words. Okay, ரொம்ப நெருக்கி நெருக்கி எழுதாதீங்க. சிலர் ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங்லாம் ரொம்பவே நல்லாவே இல்ல. நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் நீங்க 10th போறீங்கன்னா யூ ஹேவ் டு இம்ப்ரூவ் யுவர் ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங். ஓகே, இம்ப்ரவைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Then so please prepare for your quarterly examination. Okay, please send the test paper as PDF as instructed from school. Okay, fine. Thank you.